Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Time. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Procter and Gamble Hygiene and Healthcare. PGHH is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart of PGHH, and each candle here represents 1 month. And these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated by the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, you can based on the data we are having since 2014, it is very clear that the stock had been trying to move in upward direction continuously. After making new high, it is undergoing consolidation, again a new high consolidation, and again it is moving in the upward direction. It's just right up, and you can see all these green candles and are lined up, and this is this month candle, November 2017, and this month itself this stock has given nearly 8,851 to 9,989, 9,100. Nearly it has given some 300 rupees benefit, around 300 rupees benefit to its investors. So if you look from 2017 onwards, January 2017, the stock was trading at nearly 6,923. It takes 7,000, but today it is trading at 9,172. That means nearly some 2,200 rupees per share profit it has given to its investors. So guys, that is the potential of the stock. No need to talk much about this. There is no need to dig further into this. This stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is good. Relative strength of the stock is quite high. Actually, it is already playing on top of the 80 line, and it is making a nice slope there, and the angle of the slope is also increasing. That means the relative strength of the stock is is already increasing, and it is strengthening actually. And direction strength is also rising. You can clearly see the increasing space between the positive and negative directional lines, and both lines, the green line and red line, both are diverging, right? If you look at the tip of this thing, so this is a space that is getting created here. That space is directly proportional to the directional strength of the stock. Now, if you look at the stochastics, stochastics are already playing on top of the 80 line, very good. And just now there is a trend reversal here. The slow line is on top of the fast line, but anyway, it's okay. And both lines are diverging also. So let's see what is going to. But both lines are on top of the 80 line. That's a good sign. And momentum is picking up. It's clearly playing on top of the baseline since quite a long period of time, and it is moving in the upward direction. Very good. Price volume change is continuously increasing. Okay, if you look at the crosshairs here, I'm again moving the crosshairs up so that you can clearly see the slope that is rising slope. Okay. Now balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase, and Kopeck curve is clearly telling us that the stock is in buy zone. Okay. Now, if you look at the guiding points of all the indicators, then we are getting only positive signals, and overall, on top of that, we have this path pattern which is quite clear, consistent, and getting repeated every time. And so that itself is a very big deal. And on top of that, stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode, and so all these indicators. After considering all these indicators and the guiding parts of the indicators, the conclusion of the stock is for this stock is like, this stock can be considered for long-term investment. Okay, okay, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.